Outside investors lean more bearish the corn market. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for this April 4th, 2025, thanks to our sponsor, Imogene Ingredients. Friday's prices responded most negatively to President Trump's reciprocal tariffs on multiple countries. Also, China issued a retaliatory tariff of 34% on all U.S. goods overnight. Corn actually finished the day 2 cents higher. Soybeans, though, down 34 cents per bushel, dropping below that $10 psychological level per bushel. Wheat down 7 cents. Live cattle futures dropped $6.50 per hundredweight. Feeders down $8.50 per hundredweight. Hogs in the lean hog contract down $3.45 per hundredweight. Take a look at the commitments of traders report that was released on Friday, and we do see the managed money getting more bearish the corn market. So net long position remains. However, as they shed some of those net long positions, that's an indication that they feel this corn market could go lower. Again, they've dropped from 364,000 contracts in the long position down to 56,800. For soybeans, for this week's Commitment of Traders report, we see that the outside investors are getting a little more bullish. So a bet that the market would go higher. So we're looking at around 29,800 contracts in the net short position. But again, they're adding to their longs as they moved in this market this past week. Managed money net position for SRW wheat, soft red winter wheat. Again, they've been short this market for quite a while, and they continue to add to their shorts now. Over 112,000 contracts net short in this wheat market. Feeder cattle, outside investors are still very long this market. They dropped just slightly to 33,400 contracts in the net long position this week from about 34,100 the past week. But again, still very net long the feeder cattle market. Live cattle, the outside money remains very bullish. Again, a bet that the market will go higher. Right now, holding 142,780 long contracts in the live cattle futures market. Lean hogs, we see that the outside money is getting more bearish. You'll see the big fall here from 133,500 net long positions a few weeks ago, or almost a month ago now, all the way down to 55,300. So the outside investors are shedding some of those net long positions as they head toward this maybe a net short position perhaps later on. That's a look at the Commitment of Traders report for this week. Again, we want to thank Arrow Advisory LLC for producing the charts. Contact information is in the description section of this report. Crop weather, Brazil was very dry for March. Argentina crops received plenty of rain. Coming up, U.S. planting season in Iowa gets underway next week, weather permitting. A lot of soybeans will get planted first, according to our sources in the Midwest. Meanwhile, North Carolina farmers will start next week with corn. Cattle, hog, and poultry producers, listen up. If your livestock have scours, Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan. That's Pharmatan. That stabilizes the digestive process. It can save your animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases today on your farm by contacting Imogene Ingredients at 515-745-1639. Visit ImogeneIngredients.com and be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis.